Hello and welcome to a new video. And today we're going to be talking about the downlink widget and how to use it on global dashboards. So let's go. So we are going to work with two seed sense cap devices. One is the soil temperature and moisture device, and the other one is the light intensity device. And both of them are installed in my balcony and are measuring right now. And for both of them, we have downlinks defined on the templates. So you can check them out. And when you click on downlinks, you are going to see that in here we have definition for changing the interval, the uplink interval for them, and we have different times. So you can set it to 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, etc. And something really cool that I wanted to show you as well is that on the Datacake LNS, we have implemented something called confirmed downlinks. And confirmed downlinks, of course, are integration. And that allows you to activate on the downlink configurator a little tick box. And if this is activated, the device is going to send a downlink until it receives a confirmation from the network server that it was received. And this is because of the nature of LoRaWAN networks. We know that in some cases the downlinks get lost and are never reaching their destination. So this is a way of solving these having to click on the downlink button for a couple of times or having to create a lot of redundancy when it comes to downlinks. And this is making the whole sending of downlinks way lighter and more reliable. So go check it out. And in this case, I have activated the confirmed downlink for most of them. And I'm going to show you how I create downlink button on the dashboard using these defined downlinks on our devices. So now I'm going to go to my created dashboard and I'm going to click on add widget. And in here, you're going to see that we have a downlink button. And as you see, when you hover over it, it's a responsive button. So you can click on it and that will trigger the downlink that we select. So it is a very basic widget. You can give it a title and this is going to be shown on the button. So in this case, I'm going to interval equals to 1 minute. And on data, that's where we select the most important stuff. Of course, we select the device and we select the downlink. So in here, you're gonna see that you don't have the whole list of devices that you have on your workspace. You only have the devices that have downlinks defined. So we see that we have the light intensity device. And when we click on the second drop down, we have the downlinks that are defined in there. So in this case, I'm gonna select the set interval to 1 minute. And we now, since actually very recently, we have the additional downlinks option. So you can also select a second device and a second downlink, or 3, even 10 devices, and with one click of a button, send a broadcast downlink to all of them. So in this case, I'm gonna configure these to set the interval to both of the seed devices because both of them have the same downlink defined. And under appearance, again, you can change the color of the button. You can select the palette, the scheme that you want it to have. If it's a risky downlink or a reboot, you can then color it. And you also have the option to hide the background. But in that case, it's a card that's underneath the button that's getting hidden. So in this case, we're not selecting that. We are just leaving it like that. And I'm gonna actually duplicate this widget so that I don't need to click on add widget, click on downlink. I simply go into the edit of the second one and I'm gonna go to data and I'm going to select now, instead of the interval to 1 minute, I'm gonna select the 5 minutes and also the 5 minutes for the temperature and moisture device. And of course, I'm gonna select a title and change it to 5 minutes. And under appearance, instead of being red, I'm gonna tint it green. and I'm gonna save it. And you can do the same for all intervals if you want. You can duplicate these and modify the configurations, and that way you can create dashboards faster. I'm gonna save these, and now I'm going to click on the first button to set the interval to 1 minute for my devices. So let's cross fingers and hope that everything goes well. We now see that both of them sent me a notification that the downlink was queued successfully, so that's a great thing. And now I'm gonna go to my devices and how you control that the device was actually sending a downlink, that there was a downlink sent to the device actually. And you are going to see on the debug section of your device the downlinks that are sent to your devices and also the uplinks. And in here you can analyze what's happening on your sensor. So we're gonna go to the light intensity device and to the temperature device, and you're gonna see that there are some downlinks being queued in here. And of course we're going to have to wait and be patient a little bit and see if actually the interval was successfully changed. And usually the devices are devices on LoRaWAN networks are all slow. Everything's happening slow. Nothing is real time as we know it with millisecond accuracy. So when we send a downlink, we're gonna have to wait and see if the device actually received it, processed it, and then we are going to control the uplinks. These devices send an uplink with the interval that they have, so we can actually go and see inside of the payloads if the interval changed. And now we are going to try to be patient and check if the interval was changed. So of course when creating this video, we made some tests before and we checked out what was happening on our device, and we were sending some comments before for test purposes. And in here you can see that the interval was set to 21 minutes, and on the other device we can also see what was sent and what was received. In here we can see that the interval was also 21 minutes last time, and we are going to see, so we're going to now wait a little bit. Now we can see if the downlinks worked. Now we are going to go to our device and to the debug section, and we are going to see that the downlink worked. So this was the downlink, and now the device has been sending some data. And we can see that it usually sends two different packages. It sends the light intensity value on one package, and then it sends one time battery interval and a signal on a second package. And now we can see that the interval says 1 minute, which is correct. And we can also see that the device has been actually sending every minute. So we can see packages the 52 and 53. So since the downlink was sent, the device has been sending data now every minute, and we can call this a success. This is how you use the downlinks and how you create a downlink widget with several devices on the global dashboard, and how you use confirmed downlinks on the Datacake LNS. So I hope this was informative. I hope that it was useful, and please leave a comment and stay tuned for the next ones.